The evidence and persuasion chart is designed to help students assess how evidence supports or rebukes a given point. It is structured in two main sections, one for listing pieces of evidence and another for analyzing their impact on the argument. In the evidence section, students record key pieces of information such as facts, statistics, expert opinions, or examples relevant to the topic. The second section prompts students to determine how each piece of evidence supports or contradicts the argument. They evaluate whether the evidence strengthens the point by providing clear support or rebukes it by presenting counterarguments or conflicting information. This structured approach helps students develop critical thinking skills by assessing the reliability and relevance of evidence in building a persuasive argument. It also enhances their ability to construct well-supported claims in writing and discussions,